Srimatre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mukambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 1st August 2024, Thursday, Adimasam 16th. Krodi Nama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Grishma Ritu, Adimasam, that is Kadagamasam, Krishna Paksham, up to 5:18 p.m. Dwadashi, then Trayodashi. Guruvasram, Nakshatram up to 12:50, Mrigashirsham, then Trivadire. Today's Ragugalam 1:30 to 3 p.m., then Yamakandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Guligakalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Today's good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m., then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's Chandrashtamam for Vrachika Rashi. More, today is Pradosham.